Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a Walgreens video for you guys. I did this transaction last night. I did a total of 2 separate transactions because I was purchasing Almay and I was purchasing Revlon, and I wanted to take advantage and get 2 separate rewards instead of just one registered reward. So when you purchase Almay and Revlon in the same transaction, you will only receive one of the $5 off register rewards. In order to receive two $5 off register rewards, you would have to do 2 separate transactions. So that's what I did. Right here, my first transaction, I got 2 of the Almay Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. And then in my second transaction right here, I got 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends. I have 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive Shampoo and Conditioner. I have 2 of these Revlon Ultra HD Lip Polish. I have 2 of these L'Oreal lipsticks. I have 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, and I have 1 of these Kinder bars. So that all of that is in my second transaction. So let's go ahead and talk about the first transaction, which is both of the Almay Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. So these wipes are priced at my store for $5.99 each. The deal is buy one get one 50% off. So I purchased one at $5.99, and the second one did ring up half off at $2.99. I used a $3 off of 2 Almay digital coupon that I had clipped to my account, and that brought my total to just $5.98. And then I did get back this $5 off register reward. It says save $5 off your next purchase over the value of the coupon, and it says thank you from Revlon. So I paid $5.98 out of pocket, and I got back $5. So I only paid 98 cents for both. So let's go ahead and take a look at my receipt. So as you can see right here, one rung up at $5.99. The second one did ring up at $2.99 for 50% off. My $3 off Almay coupon did come off, and that was a digital. And right here, my subtotal came out to be $5.98, not including tax. And then for everyday points, I got 80 everyday points back. And then as I showed you guys, I did get the $5 off register reward. So I paid 98 cents for both packages of these Almay wipes. And these are the 25 count wipes. So paying 98 cents for both of these is a really great deal, being that the regular price is $5.99. So that is my first transaction because I wanted to get 2 different register rewards. So that's why I did the Almay wipes in the first transaction. Okay, so now let's move on over to the second transaction. So as I already explained to you guys what I have in this transaction, so let's go ahead and just start with the Garnier Whole Blends. So the Garnier Whole Blends this week at Rite Aid is priced at 2 for $7. I did use a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So 2 for $7 minus the $4 off digital coupon that I had brought my total down to just $3 or $1.50 each. With the Revlon Ultra HD Lip Polish, these are priced at my store for $10.29. The deal is buy one, get one 50% off. So one rung up at $10.29, and the second one did ring up half off at $5.14. So $10.29 plus $5.14 is $15.43 for the both of these. I did use a $3 off of 1 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So $15.43 minus that $3 off digital coupon that I had clipped to my account, it brought my total down to just $12.43 for the both of these, or $6.21. Right here with the L'Oreal Elvive Shampoo and Conditioner, these are priced at 2 for $8 this week at Rite Aid. I used a $3 off of 1 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. There was a $4 off coupon that I had, but I had already used that, I think, last week or so. So I wasn't able to use that. So I used the $3 off of 2 digital instead. So $8 minus that $3 off digital coupon brought my total down to just $2. And then I also had the off digital coupon that you can find in the Walgreens Super Savings book. I didn't use the one that was in the book. I had it clipped to my account, so I just used that $2 off coupon. So it brought my total down to $5 minus that $2 off digital coupon that I had. It brought my total down to just $3 or $1.50 for these L'Oreal shampoo and conditioners. They do have some coupons out, but I didn't have any coupons, so I just used what I had on my account. So for these two Oral-B toothbrushes, these are priced this week at Walgreens for $3.99. When you buy two, you will receive a $4 off registry reward. I did use a $3 off of two digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. Minus the $3 off coupon that I had clipped to my account, that brought my total down to just $5.98. I did receive my $4 registry reward, as you can see right here. So $5.98 minus this $4 off registry reward brought my total down to just $1.98 for both. But that's not where it stops, you guys. Ibotta has a rebate back for Oral-B toothbrushes. The limit is $5, and you can get $1 back. I purchased two, so I did get $2 back. So I was left with $1.98, and I got back $2 from Ibotta. So these two toothbrushes were free for me. Right here, I have this Kinder bar, and this is priced at 99 cents this week. Minus the 50% off digital coupon that I used, brought this down to just 49 cents. So I paid 49 cents for this Kinder bar. The L'Oreal lipstick right here. These are, so this is the L'Oreal Color Richie lipstick. And these are priced at my store for $9.99. The deal is buy one, get one 50% off. So one rung up for $9.99 and the other one rung up for $4.99. So $9.99 plus $4.99 brought the total to $14.98. I did use a $4 off of two digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So that brought my total down to just $10.98. And I also used a $2 off of one Walgreens coupon booklet that I had in my account. So $2 off of one, but as you can see, I purchased two, so that $2 came off twice. So that was an additional $4 that came off. So $10.98 minus the $4 that came off, it brought my total down to just $6.98 or $3.49 each. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see right here, the L'Oreal Color Shine, $9.99, $4.99. Both of the store IVC coupons came off. The Revlon lipstick, $10.29. The second one rung up half off at $5.14. The Kinder bar rung up at 99 cents. Both of the Oral-B toothbrushes rung up at $3.99. Both of the e.l.f. shampoo and conditioners rung up for 2 for $8. And as you can see, the $1 off store IVC coupon came off of both. I purchased two of the Garnier Whole blends at $3.50 each, so 2 for $7. And then this coupon right here, I did give her the get 5,000 points when you spend $25, but I didn't get those coupons. It wouldn't go through, and I don't know if it was because I was using both of the beauty digital and paper coupon. I'm not sure, but I didn't get the 5,000 points for that. So this coupon right here, $4 off coupon, is for the Garnier. The L'Oreal $4 off coupon came off. The Revlon $3 off coupon came off. The Oral-B $3 came off. The e.l.f. $3 came off, and the Kinder 75-cent off coupon came off. So all of my coupons came off exactly how they were supposed to. I had no issues at all. And so as you can see right here, it brought my overall subtotal to $30.63. That is not including taxes. And when you look down here, where you see everyday points retail, I got back 480. And then for my bonus points, I got back a total of 23,320 points. So of that 23,320 points, 5K came from me reaching beauty. The 7K of that came from the beauty get 7,000 points when you spend $25 on beauty. And then another 7K came from this beauty enthusiast coupon that I scanned when you spend $25 or more on participating products. And then I got back an additional 4,320 points from the February 14-day points multiplier. So total, that equaled up to 23,320 points. And let's not forget that I got back this $5 registry reward from the Revlon. And I got back this $4 registry reward from the Oral-B deal. So I got back 23,320 plus $5 plus $4. So that's a total of 32,000 points, which is $32 that I got back, which makes this entire transaction free, because as you can see right here, I only paid $30.63 for all of these items, and I got back a total of $32. So this was a 100% free transaction. I didn't use any points. I didn't use any registry rewards. This was completely a free transaction for me. So, and the best part about it is that I used majority of all digital coupons. The only other coupon that I used that wasn't, well, it was digital, but I also used this too so that this could stack. So all of the coupons that I used were completely digital. So this is a super easy, newbie friendly deal for you guys to do if you are unsure on what type of beauty products to get. I did do this deal twice. I did 2 separate transactions, so I do have more of this, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys so far what I have. Oh, and also you guys, I got back, along with this transaction, I got back this get 5,000 points when you spend 20 or more in the store. And then I also got back this save $2.50 on any one L'Oreal Paris makeup product. And I got this from purchasing the L'Oreal lipsticks. So overall, you guys, super great transaction. It's always a good couponing trip for me when all of my digital coupons come off like they're supposed to. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this video really quick. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing. If you are not following me on Instagram, I would appreciate if you guys will give me a follow over there as well. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.